Hey there, it's Liz from No Trace. In this video, I'm going to show you 9 easy gifts that you can sew for mom for Mother's Day or any day of the year. Each of these gifts is supposed to pamper mom a little bit. They're gifts that I would love as a mom myself, and that I'm pretty sure my mom would love too. So hopefully the mom in your life will love at least one of these. I have a playlist of videos that will show you how to make each one of these gifts. So I'm linking to the playlist at the end of this video. It's also in the description box below this video. The first gift is a sleeping eye mask. I use one of these pretty much every night. They're also really great for travel and they sew up super fast. The second gift is a tea towel. Now this is a really simple tea towel, but I bet if you go to your local fabric store, you'll be able to find some really beautiful absorbent fabrics that are already cut to tea towel size. And I'm gonna link to a tutorial in the playlist, of course, that shows you how to hem the edges on a napkin or a tea towel. The third gift idea is a microwavable neck or body heating pad like the one pictured here. These also are really easy to sew. You can fill them with rice and pop them in the microwave and they just feel awesome on any aches or pains. The fourth gift to sew for mom is a silk pillowcase like this one pictured here. I'm linking to a video that shows you how to make a pillowcase. I'm also including a video that shows you how to sew with silk if you've never sewn with silk before. It's a wonderful, smooth, slippery fabric, and with just a few tips, you can easily make a pillowcase. The fifth super easy gift to sew for mom is a little lavender satchel like this one. All you need to do is make a tiny bag and fill it with dried lavender, and mom can put this in her car, in her closet, in her drawers, or even next to her bed. I'm linking to my tutorial that shows you how to make a super simple little gift bag. You can make these with or without hearts on them. It's up to you. If you want to go a little bigger than a lavender satchel, my sixth gift idea is a lavender eye pillow. So this, like the one pictured here, is full of lavender and you can rest it on your chest or over your eyes and just get some deep relaxation. The seventh thing you can sew for mom is a cleaning cloth. Obviously, I have a tutorial on how to make these little guys. You could make them larger, you could make them with flannel or some other soft fleecy fabric. And these are just a sweet and fun way to wash your face every night. The eighth gift to sew for mom is a throw pillow. Obviously, I have a tutorial that's in the playlist, and all you need to do is head to your local craft store to find a pillow and then pick out the perfect fabric for your mom. You could also upcycle a pillow that you already own and sew a new cover for it. All of the instructions to customize your pillow cover for your new throw pillow are in my video. And finally, one last gift you can easily sew for your mom is a little mug rug or fabric coaster for her morning cup of tea or coffee. It's just a nice, easy way to brighten up her morning routine. And of course, the tutorial is linked in the playlist. Leave a comment below and let me know which of these gifts you think the mom in your life is going to like the most. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.